Happy New Year, guys! This is John, and welcome to Coded Kwento. So guys, it's been a year, and I'm so thankful to those who have been with me for the past years. Yeah, let's look back on what we have done in the past 2017. So by the time of this video, I already got 168 subscribers. So it's not that big, it's not bad at all. So I think those people who really love to learn about web design, and as much as possible, I don't do sub for sub because it to hurt the YouTube channel a bit. In all, we have 29 videos. The most viewed video is about this introduction to web design grids, and the second one is about CSS grid. The least viewed videos so far are those that are tagged as vlogs, because basically I do understand that people don't really want to learn anything about me kasi sino ba naman tayo, di ba? So yeah, hopefully that's give us the pattern of what kind of videos to look for and to produce for the next year. So from that, where do we want to go now? Basically, we want to produce more tips and trips kind of videos, those tutorial ones, because yun yung mas madalas yung pinapanood and you learn more from it than doing vlogs. Anyway, and yeah, I do aim to stick to my schedule, post one video a week, hopefully every Tuesday or Monday. One of the greatest thing na gusto kong i-share that happened in my YouTube career is once I was in an event. It's called the Form Function in Class. It's more of a seminar for designers and web developers. So on that event, I'm filming a vlog of documenting that event that happened. And one girl, I think she was a student, approached me and asked, "Di ba kayo po yung nasa Coded Kwento?" And I said yes. And she said that, lagi ko po kayong pinapanood, lagi po ako nanonood ng videos nyo. And I feel grateful in some way. Like, at least may nanonood, may natututo, may gustong, ayun, may audience ka. Kahit isang tao lang yun, the mere fact that you're changing or adding something on a single person's life is mind-blowing, right? Alam mo yun, kahit wala masyado nanonood sa videos natin, pero merong natututo. That's what's most important. So then again, thank you to all those people who doesn't stop supporting me. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanonood ng YouTube. So yun, maraming salamat sa nakaraang taon, and God willing, 2018 would be a good one for us. Like this video if you want to. If not, do leave a comment below. Let's do greater things for this year. Yeah, keep learning. Cheers. Bye-bye.